Hey coaches, so in this video, I will be showing you how to create your own contract template. Now, contract template is extremely useful, especially if you use the same type of contract for most of your clients. And if you're currently on an AHA plan, you can actually embed the contract template onto sign-up pages and event sign-up pages so your client can sign the contract as they sign up for the events or coaching program that you are currently holding. Okay, so without further ado, to start creating a contract, you first have to go to the contract page. To get there, you have to click the contract tab on the left hand menu, and now you can go under the templates tab and select create new template. Now you can choose to upload a file that you wish for it to become your contract. So you can either upload this locally, so from your hard drive, if you choose a local file, you can choose a file that is currently in your hard drive or your computer or your laptop. Or you can actually upload it from your resource library, which is what I'm going to do. Now you can rename your contract. So for me, I'm going to call it common. So this is the most common contract template that I'm going to be sending to most of my clients. And now you can put the placeholders. Okay, so the placeholders are these 4 boxes here, and you can drag and drop these placeholder and place it wherever you want. So for example, date. Okay, the signee is who should be filling out this placeholder. So if it's the client, you can go ahead, use the drop-down bar, change it to client, or if it's the coach, just leave it as coach. The field information is to give your clients a little bit more context about what they're supposed to fill in the box. And then, of course, if it's optional, you can leave these unchecked. But if you like for your client to, always fill in this box before they complete the contract, you can go ahead and leave this as required. Okay, so you can do the same for signature. So this is the client's signature. So I'm going to change this to client. And then the text is to basically tell them to put in their name. So I can rename this, click to enter name. If you like an email instead, you can go ahead and change that as well. And the signature for the coach. Okay, so but if you like to, you can replace the placeholder by just clicking on it and dragging it as well to align it. If you like to make changes to your placeholders, go ahead and double click it. If you want to delete it, you can go ahead and click this delete button. And if you like to change it, click to enter your email address. Instead, you will be like, you can click to enter email. You can do this as well, save, and it will update accordingly. And once you're done with placing your placeholder, you can go ahead and click next. Now the application will give you a last chance to preview whether you place your placeholder correctly. And if everything is to your satisfaction, you can go ahead and click next. If it's not, you can go back to the previous page to make the changes as you see fit. Okay. They'll ask for confirmation, select proceed. And now the template has been saved. And you should see the new contract template on your contract template tab. Okay, so now let's talk about editing contract templates and deleting contract templates. Okay, you can do both just by clicking the 3-dot button menu here, but there are some set of rules that I like for the coaches to take note of. Okay, so when deleting a contract, if you're currently using the contract template for a coaching sign-up page or an event sign-up page, okay, you're not able to do that. Okay, you have to remove the contract template from the sign-up page before you're able to delete a contract template. Okay, and for editing, if the contract has already been sent out to your client and you make edits for the same template, no changes will be made to contracts that have already been sent out. Okay, so, and you can also download your contract if you feel like there's a need to. Okay, with editing of a contract, it's very straightforward. It's very similar to how you create a contract template in the first place, so you can just make your changes without having to delete the contract, or like if there's a certain placeholder that you don't think you'll be making changes to, you don't have to redo everything, so it's pretty convenient. Okay, rename your document and make edits to the document as you deem fit. Okay, we will also give you a final preview as per usual. You can read through your contract and see if there's any places that you're not satisfied with. Afterwards, ask for confirmation, click proceed, and your template has been saved successfully. Okay, and that's all I have for this video. I hope it has helped you, and thank you so much for watching.